dogs over there. Look at the little one though. Dude, do you see that brown dog?
Dude, stop.
Look at that dog. Where's the little one? Look. Dude, don't have to growl at me, fool. I'm representing Emily.
Stop.
Dude, what happens if they come running after me again? Dude, look at that.
I am not drinking out of that.
Dude, look at that. I can sue. I can so sue.
Dude, did you see that baby coming in? Dude, that has mold all over it.
I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right here. Boop. Dude, you're safe up here. Get up here. Get up here. Look at this. I'm stuck on top of the bleach. Oh, this is so my face. Dude, look at that brown dog. It's the evil one. Dude, look at that. Come here. Hey, look at the little one. It looks like he has something between his legs. Dude, Leanne, they're coming your way. Get up here.
I'm gonna like throw up.
Dude, do you see that brown dog? He looks like a cow. Dude, look at my leg. Dude, look at my leg.
Holy shit, dude, look at the front. You got a freaking bite mark right there too.
Where?
Dude, right there.